Hi, Mike.McKean with Guaranty RV out in Junction City, and today we'll be looking at this 2019 Newmar Canyon Star. It's a 3927 floor plan, which is 39 feet. It's on the Ford V10 chassis with 2 slides, 1 living room and 1 bedroom, and I think you're going to like it. Come on in and we'll take a look. All right, so this 39-foot Newmar Canyon Star starts out with a luxurious sofa across from your dinette, and then you have a TV right across from the sofa, so that makes it good for watching and comfortable, good sitting area for everybody. Nice little kitchen area right here with the convection oven, nice full sink. You do have a Whirlpool refrigerator, and this is a toy hauler. So along with the queen bed behind that, you'll find a full garage for your sports or for your four-wheelers or whatever you need back there. And I think you'll find this a very, very nice, interesting coach if you like to get out and go to the sand dunes or go out to the desert. It's a very nice coach for that. Thanks for taking a look with me at this 2019 Newmar Canyon Star. If you need some more information, please give me a call. You'll see my information down below, and I hope to see you out here in Junction City. Thank you.